Hey everybody, it's been a while. I'm out on little adventure today, nothing too spectacular, just a short trail run over some mountains I've never been over before. This is steep, a steep mountain road. It only took a few minutes to get here, and already it seems as though I'm pretty much along at the top, and now I just go left to the observation deck and right to the peak. So this is the observation spot from Mount Henari. It's quite nice. It's a nice day today. Nice view. I'm going to go back and find the official peak. Okay, well now I'm at the top. I've been running along this trail here. Let me show you. This is all the excitement you can expect at the top of Henari Yama, Mount Henari, 381 meters. Tuna sandwiches, tuna mayonnaise lunch pack. They're really good. You know, I really enjoy this quiet mountain road. No one around, and fresh air, sound of wildlife. Hear the birds? Yeah, this is my kind of run.